Okay, here we are on the GE Carestation 650 today, and we're looking at the aux 02 switch and feature, if you will, to just verify it's within specification. Okay, and so right now we're doing 1 liter per minute on 02, and you see it can be between 0.5 and 1.5. Okay, and so there you have it right there. There's your reading, 0.96 and 7, teetering back and forth. Here's our setup flow meter on the output of the aux output nipple there. 02 only is what is configured onto this machine. There's our circle switch, aux switch, and the aux position. And then you can see I'm actually up here at 1.1 liter on the 02. Okay, and then again, just so you can see, here's your spec right there. Okay, so you can see we're looking good on this. And that's the aux 02 output flow test. Thank you.